Hi, in this session we are going to see introduction of WordPress. We will be learning about the basics of the world's most popular CMS, that is content management system. What is WordPress? This is the very basic question that everyone must know. WordPress is a free open source content management system. It is entirely free, and open source means we can customize the things also. So both of the things are there. It is a content management system. Most of the people used to get confused what exactly the content management system is. So here, let me clear it out for you. Content management system means it is a type of platform where we can create, manage or modify the contents on any of the website without using any coding language. Like we used to manage the things if we have some tools available with us like Adobe Photoshop or the Canva or such kind of any of the photo editing tool we have, without working a lot we can directly use the templates and we can work on it. So that kind of things we can do with the WordPress. It powers over 40% of all websites on the internet in the entire world. Nowadays approximately 40% of the websites are based on WordPress. In this, it's not like that only a particular type of website it is, but it is covering all types of websites like e-commerce websites, portfolios, or it is for the traveling, for clinics, whatever type of website it is. Basically, this WordPress was launched as a blogging platform in 2003, but as the usability of WordPress increased and the feasibility and compatibility of this platform with the developers are becoming more and more simpler, so people are using this WordPress a lot. Why people are using WordPress mostly? So these are the five important pointers that is mentioned here. First one is it is user friendly. User friendly means anyone who doesn't knows coding also, they can also easily learn to create website using WordPress. So it doesn't needs the full technical knowledge. This can be easily covered up by simply knowing that how we can drag and drop the things. It is customizable. Thousands of themes and plugins are available that we can use here for whatever purpose we want. Suppose if we want to develop a website related to education, we can search for the themes of education. If we want to create any of the online e-commerce website, in that case we can select the theme for that. Similarly, for the plugins means the external softwares that we will be installing with WordPress so that we can increase the functionality or the features of the WordPress. As in the themes, as per our requirement, as per our project, as per the need of the website, we can select the theme. Similarly, plugins are also available as per the requirements. Wherever it will be needed, we can easily use it. If it is related to clinic, it is related to some delivery system, e-commerce, school, colleges, whatever it is, we have the plugins available that we can directly install and utilize. Third pointer is it is SEO friendly. This is very important point, especially for digital marketers, whoever wants to learn uh, web development also. Similarly, as they used to do the graphic designing and creating the content, they will be using WordPress also, so that they can put the content on the website and the images and all those things on the website. And it must be SEO friendly. SEO means the search engine optimization. Whenever we are looking for something in any of the search engines like Google, Yahoo, AOL, Bing, which website must be visible on the first page, and in that first page also on the top. That is entirely dependent on the SEOs. If it is not sponsored, so for the organic growth, we used to work with the SEO, the proper content, proper keywords, images, optimized website, everything will be needed. And here entire WordPress website can be easily customized in such a way that it will be always SEO friendly. Fourth pointer is flexible and scalable. We can use it for whatever type of website we want to work with. Either it is blogging website, business website, e-commerce website, portfolio, whatever it is, we can easily work with that. And the last but not the least point is large community support. As we have already seen that approximately 40% of the websites around the world is powered by WordPress nowadays. It means that millions of people are already working on this platform, and if they are working on this platform, so if someone is stuck with some point or some functionality, some look wise or whatever kind of support they need, they can easily get, because a lot of users are there, a lot of developers are there worldwide who are going to be connected, and a community support will be always larger. We have two things in WordPress that you can see here. First one is wordpress.org, that you can notice in this address bar. This is wordpress.org. And then second one is wordpress.com. These are the two things available with WordPress, but both are different to each other. The platform will be WordPress, but the way they will be used, or the hosting, the customization, costing, for what purpose it is going to be used, that things will be different. If we talk about hosting, so wordpress.com will be hosted by WordPress itself. Means you can't connect your domain with the wordpress.com. Anyhow, you have to create the subdomain for the wordpress.com, and there you have to uh, prepare yourself your website, and you can make it live. It is very much similar that you are going to live in your father's house and you have got your one room, so that room is part of that house, and that is the entire address. So this will be always hosted by WordPress. And if we talk about wordpress.org, it will be self-hosted, means we need a hosting provider. Hosting provider, either it can be Bluehost, or it can be Hostinger, GoDaddy, whichever hosting provider we want, we can go with that as per our need, as per our requirement, as per our expenses. If we talk about customization feature for WordPress.com, limited themes and plugins are available. But with WordPress.org, we have the full control over themes and plugins. Means in WordPress.com, there will be some limitations because we will be working on their own tools. So it will be not easy to customize most of the things. But with WordPress.org, we will be having more and more important informations, or the full control, we can say, of the themes and plugins. Costing wise, if we will see, then WordPress.com is freely available. Yeah, if we want to upgrade the features, we need some paid themes, we want to increase the plugins, or we want to make it editable, in that case we need to pay for it. Otherwise it is mostly the free plans available. But with the wordpress.org, hosting and domain cost will be there, otherwise it is entirely free. Means we need to anyhow purchase the hosting and domain. Here no need of that, because we have already seen one example that in our parents home only we are going to live, so no need to pay rent, no need to get some new address or something. But in wordpress.org, we need the address, we need the hosting, we need the domain, everything. If we talk about the usability, that where it is going to be used up, so WordPress.com is good for the beginners and casual user. Casual users means whoever wants to write the blogs and they are not looking for some income through the ads and all those things. In that case, it is good. But if you are looking for some professional websites or the business websites, and you are looking for the income through Google Ads and all those things, in that case, you must always go with WordPress.org. Key features of WordPress. Few of the key features are there which makes it more easier and more like feasible to be used by developers nowadays. Among that, first one is themes. Pre-designed templates for website appearances. A lot of predefined templates are available of the theme. Let me show you. If we will go with the wordpress.org, here we have the options that we can check out the themes that are available free of cost. You can notice here a lot of themes are available, means per page it is displaying 12 results, but as per our category, as per the subject, we can easily filter out the themes and we can get the themes. So we will be having a good quality of themes available that we can use on our website. Similarly, for the plugins also, we have a lot of plugins available that we can use as per our requirement. Like suppose if we want to work with the e-commerce website, so if you will be searching with the e-commerce, you will be able to notice that a lot of plugins are available that we can use for working with, and we can easily get over those things. Then for editing purpose, we will be getting the Gutenberg editor, that is entirely drag and drop content builder. Means just we need to drag the things wherever we want to place it in our website and it's done. Little bit changes if we want to make related to size and all those things. Every customization will be available there itself, where you need to just either press up or down arrows, or you can manually enter the values of the size. You can select the colors, whatever customization you want to do, you can easily do that. Then we have the media management. There we can manage the media files like images, videos, audios, GIFs, whatever it is. We can upload those things. We can, if we want to remove, we can remove. We can add the alternate text and whatever other informations we want to make, we want to save with the media files, we can easily do that. And most important part of this WordPress features is user management. We can manage multiple roles like the administrator, editors, authors, subscribers. As per our website, whichever roles are needed, these are the basic one. These will are the default user roles which is available in WordPress. Other than this also, we can go with any of the user roles available in it. And this is the look of the dashboard. This is the overview of the dashboard. This dashboard is entirely called as an admin panel. It will be working as a control center of our website. From here only we will be adding or removing the content from our website as per our requirement. Like if we want to add post or the pages, it is used basically for creating or managing the content of the website, which will be visible to the users. Then the appearance, here we will be customizing the themes and the menus that we want to display in our website. Plugins, we can install or manage the plugins, as well as one more feature is available. We can make changes in the plugins also. If we are having knowledge of PHP coding, we can work with that too. But initially I will not suggest anyone to try that until and unless you are not having good knowledge of PHP. And settings will be also available there. You will be getting options for general setting, import, export, and all these kind of features, where you can mention the site titles, tagline, who can edit the things, whether they will be able to register themselves or not, setting the time zone, what should be the extension in the URL of the pages, and all those things. The entire thing we can set up from here. Few of the popular plugins are there. Especially for SEO, we use either rank math SEO or the Yoast SEO. For security purpose, we use WordFence or the security. For performance increment, like if we want to make our website work more faster and it must be optimized, we can use WP Rocket or the light speed cache. Then for e-commerce websites, if we want to design any of the e-commerce website, we want to create it so that we can make online store and all those things. In that case, we can use WooCommerce. And for taking the backup so that we can secure our website for any of the unwanted changes that is going to be made. So for that purpose, we can use Updraft Plus. If we want to create website or the blogging website, in that case we have the options that we can add and manage the blog post. We can set the categories and the tags for the better organization of our that entire content, and we can even optimize the post with the SEO so that if someone is looking for some topic, our post must be visible in Google or any other search engine result, because as much as views will be there, we can grow faster because we can get the ads running on our website, or we can get like customer subscriber, whatever it is, according to that. For the purpose of business or the e-commerce, we can build the company websites or the portfolios or the online stores similar to Flipkart, Swiggy, Zomato, Amazon, whatever it is. We can easily create those things by using WooCommerce, that plugin that we have already seen for e-commerce. We can use it for online selling purpose, and we can integrate payment gateways, either if you want to take payment through credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI, through like card swipes, whatever it is, you can easily integrate those things here so that you can work with the payments also. So finally, concluding this session, that WordPress is a powerful and flexible and beginner friendly. It can be used for blogs, businesses, websites, and the e-commerce websites also. And if you are going to learn WordPress, you can open your doors for web designing and development opportunities that is going to make you help you out either to grow in your business, or you can make your career also in web development by using this. Or if you want to earn after learning this, you can easily go for freelancing also. So that's all for this session. See you in next session.